Hello, welcome to today's class in which we will be learning about desired body weight. Before we start the calculations, I will be answering the most important question, whether there will be a calculator provided to you or not. The answer is that no separate calculator is provided. There will be a calculator on the exam module itself. So how to you will be getting that in the exam itself, but how to practice that calculator? Once you register for your exam, you can do a sample test on the ACE website and become familiar with how to use the calculator which will be given on the exam module. In fact, you must learn how to flag the questions and unflag the questions also, so that you are able to do the work smoothly when you are appearing for the exam. So let's get back to the business of learning desired body weight. And on exam you may easily get 2 to 3 questions, maybe more, of this type. So this is a very important concept to calculate desired body weight. First, the formula is lean body weight divided by 1 minus desired body fat percentage. This actually is lean body weight divided by desired lean percentage. I will be coming back to this. You just keep this in mind. Now the first step in calculation is, first you have to, from 100% you will be deducting the fat percentage. Which fat percentage? The current fat percentage, and you will get the lean body percentage, which will be current. And then step 2 is to, from the current lean body weight, you will multiply it with the lean body percentage which you got in the first step, and you will get lean body weight. And third step is, from 100% you will minus the desired fat percentage and you will get the desired lean percentage. Now in step 4, lean body weight which you got in step 3, here you will divide by the desired lean percentage which you got in, this was step 2. Step 2 you will divide by step 3. So this, everything is, all these steps are interconnected. Now we'll handle an example and you will, things will be more clear to you. Example is 200 pound individual with 30% body fat. How much will he or she weigh at 25% body fat? So we want to find the desired body weight when the body fat percentage is 25%. In all such questions, the assumption is that the lean weight remains the same, that the lean mass doesn't change. Now first step will be, from 100% you will minus the 30% and you will get the 70%, which is your current lean percentage. Second step is to multiply the current body weight of 220 by the current lean percentage which we got in first step. Remember, first step 70%. So you will get it 140 pounds. That is basically your lean body weight. 70%, since your current lean percentage is 70%, lean body weight is 140 pounds. Now the third step is, from 100% you will minus the desired fat. Desired fat is 25%. It comes to 75%. So what is 75%? Desired lean percentage. Fourth step is to divide the lean body weight by desired lean percentage. Remember this? Desired lean percentage. So lean body weight is 140 pounds. 140. And desired lean percentage is 75%. So 140 divided by 75% comes to 187 pounds. So easy. We will handle another example to understand it more clearly. So when in the exam I read such questions, I immediately either calculate on the calculator itself, or sometimes a rough sheet is also given. So quickly you can calculate on the rough sheet also. I will do it as I do it in the exam. A new client wants to lose weight and body fat and agrees to have his body composition assessed during the initial session. He currently weighs 220 pounds, that is 100 kg, with 25% body fat. He wants to decrease his body fat level to 15%. If he maintains his current lean body weight, look here it is written, if he maintains his current lean body weight, what will his new weight be when he reaches his goal of 15% body fat? The goal is 15%. Present body fat percentage is 25%. Current weight is 220. So these are the 4 important information, and 3 important information. Fourth one is this, that current lean body weight will be maintained, and in all these examples it is assumed that the lean mass will be maintained. So first step is to, from 100% I will minus 25% current body weight, and I will get current lean percentage. Current lean percentage. Second step is current body weight multiplied by current lean percentage, 75%, which I got in the first step. I will get 8. Let me calculate 220 multiplied by 75%. This comes to 165 pounds. What is it? This is the lean body weight, and this is current one. And third is, you have to, from 100% we will minus the desired body fat, which is 15%. So I will get the desired lean percentage. Desired lean percentage. Fourth step is to divide the current lean body weight, that is 165, by the desired lean percentage, 85%. So we will get 165 divided by 85%. This comes to 194 pounds. Look, it is so easy. You need not write all the wording which I showed you here. So if you are practicing it time and again, you can easily calculate it. In fact, initially I was also so afraid of these formulas, but with practice I have learned a lot, and now I can easily calculate. In my next video, I would like to calculate more sums of this type, because this is a very important concept. And if you have liked the video, please press the like button, share with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel to motivate me to continue to do this work. Hope this helps, and all the best for your exams. And please comment also, so that I come to know that my teaching technique, the way actually I'm not a teacher, I'm a student like you only, and I will really appreciate if you can tell me that whether I'm able to make any difference in your learning process. That will really help me. Thank you so much for watching this.